Welcome to Sparklebritts, where we put misconduct on display, explore police and legal content, protect rights and demand accountability.
Threatened me to smack me in the mouth, mate, yeah? Didn't you?
You get shouldered under that.
You threatened to smack me in the mouth, yes?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did, mate. Yeah? I said you take your uniform off and speak man to man. I haven't done any crime. I've committed no crime. You grabbed me, you assaulted me out of my car.
Sir,
did you or did you not?
We're not wearing your seatbelt.
You call me sir now. It's saying mate, to smack me in the fucking mouth, mate. That's what you said to me. You called me
A tense, dramatic situation erupted right on the M25 motorway. The driver repeatedly insisted that he had done nothing wrong, while the police changed the reason for the stop from not wearing a seatbelt to checking the tires, all in the middle of heavy traffic. The driver accused the police of threatening to hit him in the face and dragging him out of the car, while the police denied it, only emphasizing the document check procedure. Notably, the police's attitude changed dramatically when the driver turned on the camera, from harsh to reserved, making viewers question the transparency. The driver repeatedly asked to leave as he had not committed a crime, and refused to accept any documents or records from the police, asserting that he would not sign them and threatening to take civil action. Accusations of police abusing power and causing danger when forcing the car to stop in the emergency lane, along with repeated statements that no crime was committed. Watch the whole clip and please support this auditor by subscribing to his channel. The link is in the description.
I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't committed any crime at all.
Wearing a seatbelt.
Can I have your ID, please, mate?
Of course, yes, on my shoulder.
I can have your name and your ID, mate, yeah? Because you threatened me to smack me in the mouth, mate, yeah? Didn't you?
You get shouldered under that.
You threatened to smack me in the mouth, yes?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did, mate. Yeah? I said you take your uniform off and speak man to man. I haven't done any crime. I've committed no crime. You grabbed me, you assaulted me out of my car.
Sir,
did you or did you not?
We're not wearing your seatbelt.
You call me sir now. It's saying mate, to smack me in the fucking mouth, mate. That's what you said to me. You called me aggressive. You're the one who's aggressive, mate. And now the camera's on. You've changed your stance.
I haven't changed that.
Yes, you have, mate. Yeah? Last state game, mate. Have I committed a crime, mate?
Right.
Have I committed a crime? I'm asking you nice if I committed a crime.
I've told you you weren't wearing a seatbelt.
Have I committed a crime?
You weren't wearing a seatbelt.
Have I committed a crime?
There's no crime, but you're not
There's no crime, right, guys? I'm on my way now. Can I go, please?
No.
Right? What are you doing now, mate?
Checking your tyres.
So you stopped me on the M25, mate, to check my tyres?
Yeah.
Speak this for the camera, mate, yeah? Because it's going on YouTube, yeah? You stopped me to check my tyres on the M25 on a busy road, mate, yeah? Yeah? And you assaulted me, mate, yeah? Yeah? Guys, if I've not committed a crime, I'm asking nice if I can go on my way, yeah?
No, you can't.
I can't. I'm being detained right now.
No, you're not.
If I'm not being detained, I can go on my way, yes?
No, you weren't in a seatbelt, sir.
Have I committed a crime, mate?
No crime.
No, I haven't committed. So if I haven't committed a crime, mate, if I have not committed a crime, mate, yeah, I can go on my way for not detaining me. So I'm being detained. I'm being detained.
Deal with you for that offence.
So I'm being detained. I'm being detained.
So we need to deal with it.
Am I being detained? Am I being detained?
Deal with it.
If I'm not being detained, mate, I can go on my way, yes? I've given my identification, right? I am not aggressive,
This
right?
has got your right address on it.
Do your checks,
We
mate.
can go
Do your
from
checks and I can go on my way. Okay? Thank you very much. You're going to smack me in the face, you said, mate, didn't you?
No, I didn't say
I
that.
said you take your uniform off and sort it out man to man, yeah? Because while you've got your uniform on and you've got your weapons, mate, you're very powerful, yeah? You were working to serve and protect us. You were not serving and protect me, mate, yeah? You have assaulted me, mate, and abused me, mate, yeah? And called me aggressive. I'm not aggressive, mate. I've just been abused by you and assaulted by you, mate, yeah? You've stopped me on a hard shoulder, mate. You've put me over in the middle of the M25, yeah? Accused me
You're on the hard shoulder.
of committed an offence, right? You've accused me of committing an offence, yes? Right? I've asked you if I've committed a crime, you've said no.
No,
right?
there's no that
Mate, listen, mate, I don't know what you're talking about, yeah? Okay? I don't know what you're talking about. If I'm not being detained, now can I go on my way?
No, you.
Mate, if I have to, I would take civil action against both of you.
Absolutely not.
And your police force will not protect you, mate, yeah? You're a man, yeah? Without that uniform on, mate, yeah? Yeah? I would love to see what you said to me, yeah? Earlier on, mate, yeah? Well, you got a uniform, you got power, mate, yeah? And you got force, yeah? Okay? Right, can I finish my card now, please? I've given my identification.
No, we need to just do
Okay.
paperwork and then
I'm
you
not
get
taking no
your
paper, guys. Okay?
Well, you get,
Listen, mate, like I said to you, I'm not taking no paperwork. Yeah, if you want to force the paperwork on me, I'd throw it in my car. So I'm not accepting any paperwork, mate. I'm not accepting any paperwork, mate. I'm not accepting any paperwork, mate, from you guys. Yeah, I'm not accepting any paperwork from you guys. Yeah, okay. I've not obstructed a new line of duty. I've given you my identification, right? I've been assaulted by this guy, abused, right? I've been put into danger. On the M25, right? Onto a hard shoulder.
On the hard shoulder.
Yes. And I've not committed any crime. Is that correct?
Traffic offence.
I've not committed any crime. Okay.
Biggin Hall Road.
Listen, mate. On the details on the card, everything is correct. Yeah?
Yeah.
That is my identification, which I provided.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Now we've got another police car. And I've been accused of being aggressive by this officer, and there's no aggression come from me, only aggression came from you guys. The guys who's been here to serve and protect us, yeah? You're not serving and protecting me, mate, yeah? Right, am I being detained right now? I'm asking you one more time. Am I being detained right now? I'm not accepting any paperwork. Am I being detained right now? Have you done your checks? Have you done your checks, mate? Have you done your checks on me? Have you done your checks on me?
Yeah, no.
You have not done your checks on me yet. This is good on YouTube, mate, yeah? Okay? Yeah?
Whatever you say.
You're an aggressive man. A very aggressive man, mate.
Sorry?
You are a very aggressive man. Yeah? And without a uniform on, mate, yeah, I would quite happily stand up man to man with you, yeah? But once you've got weapons, you're protected, yeah? By a satanic organisation which you work for, yeah? Yeah? I have to back down, mate, yeah? Okay? You are a very, very, very violent man. Did you see him, mate, assault me? Did you see him? No, did you see your mate assault me?
You'd stopped your vehicle.
Yeah?
In lane 2.
I stopped my vehicle, I was in a traffic hold up, I stopped my vehicle, you came by the side of me, mate, yeah, and you asked me to pull over the hard shoulder. I refused because it's dangerous. As you can see, guys, this is the M25, yeah, it's dangerous to stop on a hard shoulder unless for an emergency. This is not an emergency, I've not committed no crime.
So,
I said to you gently, I would
please?
pull over on the slip road, the next slip road, your friend come out of the car, grab me, yeah, a friend smashed my fucking face in.
No, I didn't say that.
Yes, you did, mate. When the camera was not on.
Right.
That's what you
Sir,
said.
have you got
okay?
a contact phone number?
Right, no, I haven't got a contact phone number. I'm not obliged to give any contact phone number. All I would like now is my card back. I'm not accepting any paperwork from you guys, and I want to go on my way. I'm going to be detained right now. Sorry. I'm going to be detained right now. I'm asking you nicely. I've given you all the details. I haven't done anything wrong. Okay? Listen, mate, I'm not obliged to give you my occupation, mate, yeah? Okay?
Okay.
Can I have my card back now? Can I have my card back now, please, mate?
I have to point out
Yeah?
one offence.
I don't know what you're talking about, mate. I do not know what you're talking about, mate. I don't know what you're talking about, mate. I do not understand what you're talking about, mate. I do not understand what you're talking about. I do not understand what you're talking about. Can I have my card back now, please, mate?
What's going to happen?
Can I have my card back now, please, mate?
What's going to happen today is I'm going to submit this
Can I go on my way now, please?
for failing to wear your seatbelt.
I'm not accepting any paperwork, mate, yeah?
That just explains how you deal with road traffic offences.
I said to you, I'm not accepting any paperwork now. I've given you my details. You've done your checks. I'm not signing anything. I'm not accepting any paperwork, mate. Yeah? I'm not accepting any paperwork, mate. Yeah? I haven't done anything wrong. I have not done anything wrong. Okay? The camera does not lie. Okay?
Okay. Right,
I have not committed any crimes. Okay? Can I have my card back now, please?
Right.
If not, then I will kind of go on my way. I'm being detained right now.
There you go.
No, I'm not taking my card, mate. I'm not accepting any paperwork.
You're not accepting your card?
You can't force me to accept paperwork, mate. Yeah?
I'll put your card.
It's your card, sir.
Right, I'm not accepting the paperwork. Okay?
It's your card.
I'm free to go now. I'm free to go now. I'm free to go. Thank you very much. Yeah?
A dramatic and controversial eviction took place when the authorities arrived to carry out the eviction order, but were met with fierce opposition from the residents. From the beginning, Residents repeatedly questioned the legality of the process, pointing out a series of violations. No safety risk assessment, insufficient paperwork, lack of legal representation, and no consideration for vulnerable people or children. The atmosphere became tense as the reasons for the eviction kept changing, and the door-breaking device suddenly broke, forcing the police to pause, promising to return later. The two sides kept exchanging words, with residents accusing the police of terrorism and harassment, while the police were confused, only emphasizing their role as peacekeepers and refusing to assist in the eviction when they lacked the tools.
I hope God strikes you down. I hope God strikes you down.
I hope God strikes
Yeah.
you all down.
You got no goggles on, no help, no gloves.
Away from me, please. No, I'm not moving. You move the blade away from me.
Hey! You can see that the 2-year-old girl's in the window. There's a 2-year-old. There's a 2-year-old in the house.
We need to form Barry back and safe from the store, so just, you shouldn't be using a saw when there's children behind it.
And you shouldn't be using it without gloves. Hey!
This is unbelievably unprofessional, guys. Not even
No.
laws, are you?
You put the child into this position.
Oh, you fucking. What does this say, mate? What does this say? Vulnerable adult, right? Sworn to a victim because of a vulnerable adult, yeah? It's someone who's vulnerable. Or give them at least 7 days' notice to find alternative accommodation. You're not taking it. You're enforcing it.
You're enforcing it.
So you're enforcing it then, aren't you? Well, it should stop. One, he's in breach of law, and two, his children. You're telling him to stop if I
No, no. These are unlawfully breaking an entry into a house.
You're breaking the law, mate. You're breaking the law. Tell him to stop again to read it. Tell him to stop to read the law. Read the law, mate. Here's the law. Come and read the law before you carry on. Come and read the law, pal. Come and read the law. Come and read the law, man. They have to have 28 days notice because she's vulnerable to find alternative accommodation. Do you want to read it, mate? Would you like to read the law? Would you like to read the law? No, because I've been told by the sergeant I can put my case forward to this guy because they are in breach of law.
Guys, can you watch out, minute, please?
Hey, what's your name, lad?
Why are
Hey,
you honouring that?
hey, Fatty, what's your name?
Why are you honouring?
Fat man, what's your name?
Why
I
are you
won't.
honouring them the 28 days notice to find alternate accommodation? Why aren't you honouring it? No, I'm asking him. I'm asking him. You won't speak.
What's your name, fat man? Hey, Fatty. What's your name? Criminal. Fat man, what's your name?
Right, stop with that.
You need to identify.
Less of that.
Less of what?
Less calling names.
Why? It's the truth. I'm not obstructing anyone. I'm not. What's your name, lad? We need accountability for you breaking in an entry into a house. Hey, they just hire thugs and you just get off. Is that what's going on? No accountability. Is that your car, is it? Proper thug, lad. I'm not. I'm not.
You need to move on, please. You're
I'm not.
obstructing the highway. You're obstructing the highway.
I'm
Please
not.
leave.
Don't
Please
touch
leave.
me.
Leave
That's
the
assault.
It's not assault. I can
That's
touch
assault. You
You're obstructing the
can't.
highway.
You just admitted that you're going to touch me.
I can't
You can't.
touch you, yes, to push
No,
your
I'm a
face, you're obstructing
sentient
the highway.
being. You can't touch this. This is property. This is owned. What are you doing? Hey! Absolute thug.
Nothing but a gang of criminals, you all are.
Yeah.
Gang of criminals, not one brain cell between a lot of you. Not one of you is made to articulate anything back to me. Go on, Steve.
It's not an obligation that you have to stay where you told him to.
Hey, earning your money there, aren't you, fatty? Hey, earning your dough there, fat man. I won't you shut up. I'm not calling him a fat man. I'm telling the truth. Oh, you can't be done for telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. All I'm doing is telling the truth. He's fat. No. Well, he needs to do something about it, doesn't he? Hey, go for a run or something, doesn't he? Hey, a run or two, some sit-ups, some press-ups. Look at him, he can't even breathe. Hey, do you need some oxygen? Hey, thug man, do you need some oxygen? I won't, you shut up. You shut up. Absolute scumbag. Hey, chubby, sort it, lad. What? I'm telling the truth. Are you going to arrest me for speaking the truth? Yeah, for speaking the truth. That's how corrupt life is, isn't it? That's how corrupt life is. Hey, he's give up! Hey, he's give up! He couldn't do it, he's been defeated! Hey, take a breath, lad, take a deep breath. Hey, what you don't kill over there, lad? Hey. Get your hand off your gun. Why's your hand on your gun? No, why's your hand on the gun?
Did you hear what she said? Just answer your question.
You absolute terrorising. This is terrorism. Hey, can't you see this is terrorism? No, this is terrorism at its finest. Isn't it? Hey. Hey, this is terrorism at its finest.
Steve, I did say me and you before this is how it would go.
No, but I told you that the paperwork's wrong. Hey, I told you the paperwork's wrong and you didn't do your due diligence to find out. No, you haven't. It's got to be a wet ink signature with the judge's name. There is no paperwork here with a wet ink signature with the judge's name.
We've had it confirmed by the judge.
No. You've got to have paperwork. You can't ring somebody up. I can't go to someone's house and break in. No. Use a threatening. Look at him with his weapon. Burglar. I recommend that you go on a few runs, lad, and eat a bit of veg and a bit of lettuce in there. Know what I mean? You might get through the door then.
Tell these lads to stop shouting and then we can have a conversation with you. Will you have a conversation?
Or he could get some more tattoos, that might help.
Yeah, he might hide his belly with a few tattoos.
Will you have a conversation?
I can't, he must feel like he's one of the hardest men around where he lives or something. Yeah. And nearly just a burglar.
Will you now? Was that a threat, is it? Is it a threat?
You have already threatened him many a times with terrorism. We've seen it. Not even threatened it, you've implemented terrorism. Under the Terrorism Act, you have failed.
You're not a leader. Really? You're not a leader now.
No.
Thanks, mate. Thank you. You don't know what to do, do you? You're being embarrassed now. Okay, who's the biggest mouths? You're one of the biggest mouths. You come over and have a chat with me.
Is that under duress, that, or what? Everyone bailing?
I'm not sure yet. I think that's what the sergeant wants to speak to you about. Let me know what's happening.
Okay guys, come in here where we're at. Right. You want to come and listen to the update then?
Go on then. You haven't listened to us all day, have you?
Yeah, chop. Right. You want to come over here? So I'm not sure.
Yeah, chop.
It's alright, we got it recorded.
We'll record it.
As you know, these guys have come today to enforce an eviction, alright? They haven't, for whatever reason, brought the sufficient tools and whatever it's needed to gain entry. We're not going to assist with any of our equipment or assist in enforcing entry in any way, shape or form.
Appreciate that.
Okay? Because we're only here to prevent a breach of peace. We will keep you away from dangerous equipment, we will keep you back to keep them safe, but unfortunately their equipment has failed. So this is going to have to be done on another time.
Thank you very much.
Alright? So we will be desisting for now.
Okay.
But the order is still there.
Yes, we know.
We'll make sure.
We just need time to take it to the High
told
Court.
me that you're going to the High
It's
Court.
already gone to the King's Bench.
Listen, this isn't a decision. With all the resources that we've had to commit to this, purely because of how many of you there are, and we don't know whether you're going to be peaceful or...
No, well, you know we're
We're
peaceful.
peaceful.
We're
We
peaceful.
might shout, but we're
We
peaceful.
just like to hit you with laws and facts.
That's debatable, but
No.
okay. So it's not.
Carry on, please.
At some point, these guys are going to be coming back,
Yes,
right,
we
to
understand
enforce
that.
the eviction with the appropriate. I would very much suggest that you just let them get about their business.
No,
Unless you've got
if it's lawful and you've got a legitimate warrant and it's signed by a justice of the peace and it's a wet ink signature, then we will allow them in with no qualms, no qualms. Yeah, okay,
And you were
okay.
told that before you let them in.
No.
And the application.
It's not a matter of law for us. We deal
You
with
were
criminal
told
law.
like you just said.
It's a matter
Can I
of
just-
You could have prevented this criminal. This is no, it's criminal now. It's criminal now.
Yeah.
But they've done criminal acts.
You shouldn't be intervening.
That's a criminal act.
Yeah. You shouldn't be intervening in any way, shape or form other than standing here to make sure there's no breach of
Yeah.
peace. But that's not what
But
you're
they
doing,
breached
is
our
it?
peace.
I mean, I'm not being
They breached
funny.
our
You know,
peace.
Are you happy that we're going now?
Yeah, go on. See you later. Ta-da. Ta-ta. Ta-ta. Go on. And you.
All right, guys.
And you, Ginge.
Mate.
What? It's right. It's just, it's the
So
right.
you can just say what's right, can you? Give me some other examples of what you can say that's right. It might land you in trouble.
That right? I'm in trouble.
That might land you in trouble.
Okay.
Just pointing out people's characteristics that might land you in trouble.
Hang on, but it's the truth.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well,
It's the truth. So if they're going to arrest me for the truth, then more fool you.
if you want to make the breaks to them, just say that the bailiffs are...
That's her.
Okay, when you're dismissed,
Hey. Ta-ta. Oh yeah, you gotta restore the door, you know. Hey, you gotta restore you gotta leave it how it was. Sergeant, they've gotta leave the door how they found it. Hey, they've gotta leave the door how they found it. Yeah? Otherwise that's criminal damage. No. Hey, Tash, go on. Tash, go on, get off. Hey, come on. You're going, aren't you?
Yeah,
Go on. Great, isn't it?
Doesn't make a difference to me.
Yeah.
you've been dismissed off the property.
I'm waiting for my sergeant.
And wait out there for your
Go
sergeant.
on, that's hard.
You with the glasses, come on, off. It's private property.
No,
Private property, get off.
Dismissed.
see you later. Hey, ta-ta. Hey, see you later. Right, next time you come, make sure it's lawful. Yeah, you've got the right paperwork.
Go on. Shoot.
Shoot, 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 shoot. But I can say shoot, can't I?
Yeah, and I can ignore it.
Shoot.
Yeah.
But I can say shoot, 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 shoot.
A great story for your children, eh, to tell them you were trying to evict a pensioner, 60 odd years of age.
No, it's got nothing to do with
You
that.
broke the law.
It's got nothing to do with that. How do you know that they haven't paid the rent and the bills? Hey.
Thank you for watching. Police using vague justifications to stop, question, or detain people without cause is a growing concern. Simply being in public is not a crime, and officers cannot demand compliance without legal justification. Whether it's intimidation tactics, unlawful demands for ID, or escalating situations without cause, standing your ground and recording every interaction is key to holding them accountable. Always ask questions, challenge unlawful orders, and never let your rights be ignored. Subscribe for more UK police accountability videos, real encounters, and important lessons on knowing your rights. Stay informed, stay empowered, and never stop filming.